Hello, I just wanted to show an issue with the cost center in adapted that we are trying to inactivate. So right now the screen that I'm showing is under modeling levels, and I pulled up the level of 0711-2000. This is the parent of it, and as you can see, it says inactive. If I scroll down, it says unavailable because the parent level is unavailable. And the parent level right here, again, it says inactive. If I go to the income statement sheet to pull that particular level, 0711, it correctly is not displaying anything, and I'm okay with that. Where we're running into the issue is on the dashboards for the budgeting. If I navigate to dashboards, shared, general budget planning, and if I try to pull that inactive level 0711, I can find it with no problem. And when I click on it on the dashboard, it starts displaying the numbers um, on the summary, which is the same income statement I was just showing you. So it's the same income statement. And here, the level usually matches my pull down level, but currently it's displaying everything at my highest security. And because I'm admin, it's displaying at the Joint Commission consolidated level. When I navigate to any of the tabs of the dashboard, and we have quite a few, for example, expense planning, I can see every single expense from each and every level. And if I navigate to Personnel tab, which is usually based on security, I can see the whole company's personnel information. Um, um, the director of this particular division was very confused because it's our budgeting time right now, and he called saying there's a lot of information in this cost center when it should be inactive. And based on his security, he can see a bit less of information than I'm seeing. So he can see his whole division when he clicks and pulls this particular cost center. Now, if I go back to here to the levels, and I'm just saying I'm going to click available to activate it back and click save. So now when I go on the income statement to pull it, I correctly can pull it. Of course, it doesn't have any information in the current year, but at least I can pull it. Takes probably a second. Here we go. It did have some information correctly in the previous years, and nothing here. And then when I navigate back to the dashboard for this particular cost center, and let me just navigate out and back in again, 0711. Now it correctly personnel tab is 0. When I go to the summary tab for the years of 23 and 24, because that's what my display is showing, well, probably I should completely go back out and in again. Okay, this is Division of Healthcare, back to 0711. Okay, now it properly displays that there is no information. And if I navigate through different dashboard tabs, on the expense planning, it still pulled something, but personnel tab correctly doesn't have any information, which is great. So when I go back to inactivate this, it's not available in this version. And I click save. Just to make sure, I'm going to go back. It says inactive. And when I navigate here and refresh the browser, so now again, back to the same situation where um, inactive cost center, and you can see when I hover over, it says inactive. It's displaying all of the information to my highest security, which because I'm admin, it's basically displaying everything. And when going back to summary level, it again, you can see that it's displaying the consolidated level. And if I pick any of the active cost centers, for example, 0256, then the bottom is always matching and displaying the correct information. So I think it's a bug in the system. I'm not sure. If you could please take a look, I would greatly appreciate it.